Okay, guys, welcome to my nail salon, aka we're gonna do my press on process at home. So, usually I do this around 11 o'clock at night just before I'm going to bed so that it gives time for the glue to dry in the middle of the night while I'm sleeping. So, before this, I probably use the bathroom 2 or 3 times so that I know for sure I don't have to pee before I go to bed. So right here, I'm just sizing my nail beds with the nails that are provided. And my favorite nail brand is Nail Reformation. And you can get this at any TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Amazon, nailreformation.com. They're not sponsoring me or this video, but hey, I would love to be sponsored, guys. I love you dearly. Like, I've been using this brand for over a year and a half now. It's so bad that they're so popular now that they're sold out every time I go to TJ Maxx. And it comes with a nail cuticle trimmer, which I'm using now. So after I resize my nails, I trim my cuticles with the tool that's provided in the box. So the box they provide, they give you a alcohol pad which like dehydrates your nail bed, and then they also give you a nail file and a cuticle trimmer and pusher. So I like to use my electric drill because I'll be here all night if I use that other one. So I take the electrical drill and I make ridges in the nails. The nails are sized for all my fingers, and I just do it down the line. Every single last one gets a little groove, just because the glue, when it adheres to the glue on my nail too, they just cement together. I don't know. The it's like putting extra ridges for to put the glue into the ridges on the acrylic nail to adhere to the ridges that I created buffing my natural nail. So now I buff my nails and I just make sure all the cuticles are pushed back and clipped just so that it gives room for the acrylic nail to sit on my nail bed, which is really important. Like, it's important. Every single thing you see me do is important, but it's really important that you sit and you take your time and you buff out your nails and you make sure you have everything for your nails. These are just all the things that it provides, except for the nail dehydrator. I bought that on my own from Amazon, and I can drop the links to everything below in the description. And while you're at it, you can hit subscribe. But I love to use the nail dehydrator just because it takes out all the oils and anything else that could be left, which you can do with the alcohol pad that they provide, but I just prefer those two items. The two items that I always use, that I personally use that don't come in the box, is the nail electric nail buffer and the nail dehydrator, and that's literally all the extra things you need to use. I use the glue from the box, everything, and my nails will stay 3 weeks. And I'll have to do a nail test one of these days, but literally one of my faves. So then my lovely friend Jossam told me about this hack where people are using bag chips to put down pressure. And this is my first time using it. And you know what? I need to get some more bag chip holders. That thing worked so freaking good. I was so impressed. So here it is. I'm starting out on my right hand. For those that don't realize, I'm left-handed. So you can start out on your left hand to right hand to left hand, whatever your preference. Just do not wash your hands for at least 2 hours after you do your nails. I like to do 6 to 7 hours while I sleep. The glue can dry, but truly, this glue has to dry. It takes 24 hours. Like, I don't do anything extra washing my hands outside of using the bathroom and showering when I do my nails. And then, like, the next day I'll like wash dishes, do laundry, do all the regular things. But 24 hours. 2 hours if you're just doing it the same day, then you can wash your hands lightly, but I try not to do big projects until the following day. And then so you're just seeing me glue the acrylic nail, and glue generous amounts for both onto my nail bed. And then I'll take the nail, and then I kind of put it at an angle when I apply it. So you see me slide it all the way into the cuticle, and then I press down, like I press down evenly. And then I hold it there for like 10 seconds. And then I take the clip and I put that there for another 30 seconds as I'm prepping the next nail. And then once I finish the nail that I'm working on, I move the clip. So I say maybe get multiple clips so that you can have 2 or 3 being clipped to make sure the glue is adhering to each other. And I think this is just a good little hack. So the process of doing my nails, from sanding, buffing, cuticle clipping, filing down, picking the nails from the pack, it'll probably take me maybe 30 to 40 minutes if I'm not rushing, which I never rush because it's right before bed. I'm not doing anything after this other than going to sleep. Um, but I will say, take your time. Don't rush. You want these to last, so anything you want to last when it comes to press-ons, you really need to be about making sure everything is precise and even, and that all your nail bed is covered. Like, it needs to be an exact fit when it comes to your nails. I will say, if you have larger nail beds, you probably won't be able to get more than one set out of each packet. If you have smaller nail beds, you can probably wing like 2 or 3. But for me, because I have larger nail beds, I can only get 2 out of the packets that I get from TJ Maxx. But this special collab, the long nails that I'm using right now, I got those from Sally Beauty, and that one can only last me like one set. So I end up having to throw it away or give it away to somebody. Thankfully, I have a few friends that are press-on baddies too, and so I can give the leftover nails that I'm not using to them and they can use it. But definitely recycle, give away the nail sizes that you can't fit. And this is a finished product. They look so good. I definitely forgot when I was sitting there to file down the little edges, but you'll see here in a second. I'm going to take the nail file in the packet. I'm a child, clearly. 34, because I just turned 34. These are my birthday nails. I'm gonna take the nail file and just file down that little piece that display that you see, like they clipped it off of the like automatic maker or something like that. I'm gonna take that and I'm going to just file it down. Like, you just need a couple like scratches back and forth, and you should get it off on all the nails. And then after I do that, I take the nail cuticle oil that also comes in the pack. There's so much good stuff that comes in the pack. And mind you, the pack of a pack of nails from TJ Maxx or Marshalls is literally $10. That's it. And I can get 2 sets out of those. So I just take the cuticle oil and rub it in. Cuticle care is really the key to longevity in your acrylic nails, your press-on nails, anything for nail health. Making sure your cuticles are hydrated at all times really helps your nails stay really well. I learned that from my best friend, which I didn't realize until I started doing it when I used to go get my nails done. And my nails would be 3 or 4 weeks and look like they would never fall off. But this is how I do my nails. This is all the things that I do in the midst of the nails, all the tips and tricks that I can think of right now that I do. But let me know in the comments, what other sets or tips would you like to know about? I can definitely drop them below.
But technically, I'm supposed to be resting my back and arm.